Hello everyone and welcome back to the techystack channel. So today we'll try to explore how we can send mail with attachment. So first we'll see how normal mail sends with the attachment, and second one we'll see how many files are available in the particular folder. We'll send all the mails. Now I'm going back to the shared drive, OneDrive. So here I have the two files are there. First we'll target only send one file. Later we can send for the multiple files. So let's go back to the code. Okay, let me delete this activity as of now. So first I will get the attachment. So we'll get the file content, get file, just type that get file and you can see get file content. So just double click and you can select this file content. So where is my file is available. So as of now my file is available under the PDF. So under the PDF I can select this first one. Okay, and this file I have the content of the particular file, and next I'm going and using the activity which we call send item. I mean send email, send outlook, this and that. So I'm using that one, and you can see this send an email v2. So just click that and you can pass this which mail you are want. So as of now I'm using this mail ID, and you can update the subject. I make it as test and I make it as body as well text. And downside once you come now, so once you see this filters are there now, so here you can see these filters as attachments. So you can just click on that particular attachments, and once done you can see this add new item. Just click on that. Post that you can see this attachment name, so you can put the attachment name as well. As of now I make it as attachment text to one. And what attachment you can content, what is the attachment of this. So just click on this and you can see this my file content which is available here, file content. Just select it. But now this activity has been completed. Just click on the run. So before that I will go Outlook and I will delete this mail as well. Okay, now this is empty, and here I'm targeting the PDF file is which is nothing but this one file one, and it has the data looks like this. Okay, we'll go back and we'll run that and we'll see whether the same data is getting or not. Just click on the test and select manually publish and test. So just wait for until to complete the execution. It will take some time to complete that execution. Okay, click on the run flow. Done. So just wait for another couple of seconds and it will, the execution has been completed. So I got the mail as well, but still execution has been not complete. So I see this mail has been complete came, and if you see this one I put the name as test one. I will open this document. So let me click on this document. Okay, I need to preview it. Okay. Okay, let me download this and we can see this one. So let me open that particular test, and you can see this my has the same file whatever I downloaded there. No, whatever I push that the same thing I can able to see from here as well. So let's go back to drive, and you can see the same data. So here I have how many pages are there, 4 pages, and when I check here also similar to that 4 pages. So this is a way how we can send that single attachment. Now we'll try to do how we can send for multiple attachments. So let me close this. Okay, just go back to here. These two activities keep like that only, and just click on that edit. And now here we need to take that, first we need to get the list of the files. So just type files in the folder, or else you can type list. Okay, get list. Right now we are targeting the business OneDrive, no? So list files in the folder. So just use this activity. After that you can select these particular files where you are storing that. As of now I'm storing this in the PDF. Okay, after this you can just, I'm just taking the compose activity to get the loop one. Here I will select the list files in the folder. I will go and I will select this path. Okay, after this one I will put inside and I will put inside. Here I will change this file to whatever I use this compose now. So I will use the same thing here. So I will go here use and I will just take the path, just copy and paste it, or you can select this, anything is fine. Okay, just take for each of path item. Okay, now attachment will be the same thing, and if you want you can pass this file name. So just go here and you can check this one, name is enough, so you can name without extension, display name. So if you put this on all compose, then you will get that things. So as of now I will take this display name dot pdf. I'm not sure what the data exact coming here, so as of now just a trial. We'll see, test, and we'll run. If it is got any error, we'll check on it. I will go back to here and I will delete this file as well. Now back to flow and just publish and test. Click on the run flow, and the flow executing. It will take some time and we need to see whether now it will throw any error or not. I think it won't throw any error. Just I'm reading about this PDF. So it will give the full or it will give the partially. I'm not sure. Okay, loop has been initiated. Let it complete the run flow. Here I have noticed one thing. The flow is taking very long time. So I checked back inside and I found one issue. So let me stop this thing and I will explain you what did something wrong here. So now go to the file content. So I pass direct to path here. So before passing this path, just click here how the path is coming there. So as of now, when I go and check back now, so the path is having some big kind of thing is it. So let me show that. Duplicate, and I ran for a couple of times. So I found something wrong. So that's why I stopped the bot multiple times. Finally, I found that issue. So basically, it's taking this ID. So based on that ID, we are going to that. So when I checked for the first thing with PDF, this one which is not working fine. And next, I tried with this directly hosting that. So then I found this. It will taking as the ID. So these are the IDs which I get when I doing that things. So when you pass this ID, so it's working fine. So this ID is nothing getting from this here itself. So now I will delete all the things here in box and we'll go back to the flow and we'll run that. So here also I pass this ID and here I will kept this as it is. So I change only the ID from there. So now click on the test and now it will run. So the thing is might be I missed something else or not sure. So but right now ID is working fine. So if you got any error, so we need to try to debug and work on it. So then only it will work. I mean, if you not understand what the exact error is coming, so then it's very difficult to identify that bug, and getting the solution also is very difficult. So now I saw that I'm getting this ID. So based on that IDs, I'm getting. So when I go and check here, I have this show raw input, which is taking this ID. So the each and every file, it's considered as in the one unique ID. So those ID it's coming here. Now I will click on that number 2 and you can see this raw input which is has some another ID. Now I will go back to this thing and you can see this. So I got the sample PDF. Let me open. So this is a sample PDF which is my second PDF. So sample PDF. The same data it's available there. So here I have 3 pages. When I go and check here, here also 3 pages. Okay, and the next PDF which we already checked. So this file which have the 4 pages of it. So this is a way how we can send multiple files from the specific folders. So I hope you understand, and still if you have any doubts, post your doubts on the comment section. I will try to help. And finally, thanks for watching.